What's causing my neck pain? 4 common reasons and cures to fix them as soon as possible. You are not alone. Neck pain is one of the most common health problems in America, and it can be caused by a number of different things. We're going to go through 4 of the most common reasons for neck pain, what they look like, and how you can fix them as soon as possible. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our updates. In today's video, we're talking about neck pain, or cervicogenic pain as therapists call it. The term cervicogenic comes from cervix, which means neck in Latin. So if you have any cervical spine dysfunction, then your doctor might diagnose this with that term too. But no matter what name you give it, there's no doubt that this problem is real and affects millions every year. Number 1. Muscular imbalance. The number 1 cause of neck pain is a simple and common issue that's easy to fix if you know what to look for. I'm talking about muscle imbalances between the upper body and the lower body, especially the hips. Muscle imbalances create joint instability, and joint instability creates joint pain. Number 2. Spinal stenosis. This is the narrowing of any part of the spinal canal, and it can be caused by a number of different issues, but one thing we know for sure is that if you have it, then you're going to experience some real neck pain. Number 3. Whiplash injury. If you've had a car crash, then you know what I am talking about here. Whiplash is common after an accident, and it can cause neck pain, headaches, nerve issues, shoulder problems, and low back pain at the same time, so there's no wonder it has become America's second favorite diagnosis. Number 4. Stress. This is the 4th most common cause of neck pain, but it's hard to pin down because stress can come from so many different sources. But if you want to reduce your stress levels and start feeling better now, then there are a lot of simple things you can do. Do these 4 muscles exercises to treat your neck pain right now. Number 1. Start treating one muscle at a time, and the first one we'll always suggest is the psoas. The psoas connects the spine to the hips, and it's one of those muscles that can tighten up just from sitting too much. You know that feeling, right, where your hip feels like it's tightening up as you sit here? Well, guess what? Having a tight psoas is probably causing that. So stretch those hip flexors every day and you'll notice a difference right away. Number 2. The second muscle to stretch is the quadratus lumborum, or QL for short. This is your lower back muscle that attaches to both sides of the spine, and it can be tight from just sitting too much as well, so make sure you're always stretching this muscle out too. Number 3. The third muscle we want to stretch is the rhomboids, and these are the muscles that attach from your spine to the middle of your shoulder blades. When they're tight, you can end up with a lot of neck pain, so make sure they're loose before anything else. Number 4, and then finally, is the peroneals. These are the muscles that run down your lower leg and connect to the base of your foot, and you're going to stretch them out by leaning against a wall and pointing one foot in front of you. With that knee bent, then grab onto the ankle and pull it toward your bottom until you feel a stretch in your ankle, shin, or calf, depending on where your peroneals are. In the end, I hope this video gave you a good idea of the common causes for neck pain. And now it's up to you to go look at yourself in the mirror and see if any of these apply to you. If so, then just know that there are easy ways to treat it right now. First, take a walk with your head held high. And second, think about working on strengthening your hips so you can get that muscle balance back into place. If you like this video, press the like button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.